Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Gmail on desktop because the settings are easiest there. Once logged in, use the search bar to locate YouTube messages from Noreply at YouTube.com or with YouTube in the subject. Click a message to confirm it's the subscription or alert you want to stop. This helps avoid unsubscribing from account-critical notices. Make sure to note if the email contains an unsubscribe link or is a Google notification, because the removal method differs. Now proceed to bulk select similar messages. Once you've selected a group, click the checkbox and then choose the option to select all conversations matching your search. This targets every YouTube email at once. If messages include an unsubscribe header, use the built-in unsubscribe button next to the sender name to stop mailing lists quickly. If not, open more filter messages like these to create a filter. Then continue to the next step to auto-archive or delete future messages so they never clutter your inbox. Here, create a filter from the search. Click Create Filter, then check Skip the Inbox and delete it or apply the label you prefer. This prevents future YouTube emails from reaching your main inbox. Once done, visit your YouTube account settings to disable unnecessary email notifications, because Gmail filters only affect delivery, not the source. If messages still appear, make sure no forwarding or third-party subscriptions are re-adding them. Troubleshooting tip: test by sending a search and confirming the filter applies to new arrivals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.